Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make a pattern in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File to create a new document. We can go to Preset to set the document size. I will use 100 in width and 100 in height. And then we can go to Background Contents. I will change it to Transparent. Now we can create a new document. So we have the small image for creating a pattern. I will make it simple. I will make a circle. So we can go to Shape tool. We can click and hold. We can choose Ellipse tool. Now I go to the top option bar. Make sure that we select Shape. And then we can click and drag to add ellipse. If we want to make a perfect circle, we can press Shift and move the cursor. Now I put it here and press enter to apply it. And I don't want this window, so I close it. Now we can go to Window and Show Patterns. Now we can go to the bottom. We can find Create New Pattern. Click it, and then we can change the length. For example, I change to circle, and then press OK to add into pattern. Now we can go to create another document. We can go to File and New. And then we can use another preset to create a new document. I will use these presets and then create it. And then make sure that we have patterns window, and then we can click and drag to add pattern into the new document. If we want to customize the pattern, we can go to layers, and then we can double click to open pattern view. Now we can scale it. So for example, we can scale down it. And also we can change the angle. So this is how we can make a pattern in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.